Here's a step-by-step outline for incorporating the 7 habits of highly effective people into your life. Habit 1. Be proactive. Step 1. Set daily, weekly, and long-term goals that align with your values and priorities. Step 2. Create a plan to achieve those goals by breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Step 3. Identify potential obstacles and think of ways to overcome them. Step 4. Take action instead of waiting for things to happen. Step 5. Be accountable for your actions by tracking your progress and adjusting your plan as needed. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. Step 1. Clearly define your desired outcomes and create a vision of what success looks like for you. Step 2. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and create a plan to accomplish them. Step 3. Prioritize your tasks and focus on the most important and urgent ones first. Step 4. Measure your progress and adjust your plan as needed to stay on track. Habit 3. Put first thing first. Step 1. Prioritize your tasks by identifying the most important and urgent ones. Step 2. Use time management techniques such as the Pomodoro technique and the Eisenhower matrix to help you stay focused and productive. Step 3. Schedule regular breaks to recharge and avoid burnout. Step 4. Learn to say no to non-essential tasks and distractions. Habit 4. Think win-win. Step 1. Practice empathy and actively seek to understand the perspectives and needs of others. Step 2. Look for mutually beneficial solutions in your interactions and relationships. Step 3. Avoid thinking in terms of either/or and instead look for solutions. Step 4. Be open to compromise and negotiation. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Step 1. Practice active listening by giving your full attention to the person speaking and trying to understand their point of view. Step 2. Ask clarifying questions to ensure understanding. Step 3. Communicate your own thoughts and ideas clearly and effectively, using I statements to express your own feelings and perspectives. Step 4. Avoid interrupting or dominating the conversation. Habit 6. Synergize. Step 1. Build strong relationships by being open, honest and respectful with others. Step 2. Foster open communication by actively listening and encouraging others to share their thoughts and ideas. Step 3. Seek out diverse perspectives and learn from others. Step 4. Collaborate on projects and tasks to achieve greater results. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. This helps to increase visibility on YouTube, allowing others to benefit from it as well. Thank you and enjoy the remainder of the video. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. Step 1. Take care of your physical well-being by exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep. Step 2. Take care of your emotional well-being by practicing stress management techniques such as meditation or yoga, journaling, or talking to a therapist. Step 3. Take care of your spiritual well-being by engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, such as volunteering, reading, or practicing a religion. Step 4. Regularly evaluate your progress and make adjustments as needed to maintain a healthy balance in all areas of your life. Bonus tip. It's important to remember that these habits can take time to develop, so be patient with yourself and focus on making small, incremental changes. It's also helpful to have a support system in place, whether it's a mentor, coach, or accountability partner. We appreciate you watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. To receive notifications of similar videos in the future, we suggest subscribing to our channel. Remember, progress requires action, and we created these videos to make it easy for you to take action. Thanks for watching.